expectations from technology is that today I have implemented a system and it will give me tremendous results. Right? So the expectations has to be very clearly defined. Right? And why planners go back to spreadsheets? Because they think that or there is we are not able to establish the quick wins. Suppose every person will think, what is in it for me? Technology or no technology. So if anything new comes, any change comes, what benefit I'm going to get? If we are able to show that quick wins, the trust and the adoption will increase. So what we have to understand is, with the technology can be a very good slave. It will give all the inputs in a collaborative way and without challenging the numbers. Whatever has been happened, it is crystal clear. And now jointly we have to find out what the best trade-offs can be derived through this transformation to technology. And when you give this confidence to the planner is very, very happy to adopt this. At least this is what I have seen in my organizations. And many peers, when we discuss, they also see this. Technology will never give a decision to you, because you are the owner of the decision whether you are able to fulfill the demand of the customer or not. Customer is not going to catch the neck of AI.